the Honorable President has a long-standing personal relationship with the country of Bhutan as well as the leadership of Bhutan in various capacities in which he has functioned in the past, whether it be as Deputy Chairman, Planning Commission, as Minister of Finance, as Minister of Defense, as Minister of External Affairs. He has been involved in the determination of policies of India towards Bhutan as well as in guiding the evolution of India's relations with Bhutan. He therefore is eagerly looking forward to this visit, and he is confident that it will contribute in a significant way to the improvement of relations between the two countries. The President is, after assuming office as President, one of the first visitors to India was the current King of Bhutan, who was chief guest during the Republic Day in January 2013. As mentioned by the Foreign Secretary, the President also had the opportunity to host the King of Bhutan in the Rashtrapati Bhavan in the renovated guest wing in January of this year. The current King's father, who is popularly known as the fourth King, assumed office almost at the same time as the President entered politics and became a minister. So they have an association which spans several decades, and through the fourth King's many visits to India, as well as the President's many visits to Bhutan in his various capacities, they have a close personal relationship. The President looks forward to consolidating these relationships during this visit. I would just like to add that as one of the important themes of the President, both in all his domestic activities as well as in his foreign trips, has been to try and promote educational exchanges with foreign countries.